Hello everyone, welcome again. If this is your first time watching this video, please subscribe and like my video. So in this episode we are going to replace the electrical outlet because there is no power and it's not working at all. I have this tester right here with me. I'm going to test it out and there is no power in the outlet at all. Just to make sure if the tester is working. No power. Okay, so since we already checked the outlet, there is no power in here. Before touching the outlet, before doing anything, work on the electrical outlet or anything, we have to make sure to check the breaker box and turn off the breaker for the outlets that's giving power to it. So let's go and turn off the breaker. Alright, we are here in front of the breaker box. We are going to find out which one is the outlets. It's right here, lights and power. So it should be this one right here. Alright, we turn off the breaker, and for one more time we're going to double check that there is no power. So for opening the outlet, we just need the flathead screwdriver. Now we are going to open these two screws, one on the bottom and one on the top. Okay, as you guys can see, we have the ground wire in the bottom right here, and we have the two white wire in the left side and two black wires in the right side, which is the white wires are neutral and the black one is the hot wires. Okay, now we have the new outlet. I'm trying to take the wires out. For this one, the easy way is to find a small screwdriver, and there is a small holes right here by the wire, and then you just have to push it in, and then it's gonna unloose the wire. This one is a little bit big, so I can't, I found this inside my tool, so I'm gonna try to push it in and then take it. Now we are going to put the ground wire together. It's more important to see your outlet is 15 amp or 20 amp. This one that we are using is the 15 amp. So we are going to do basically the same thing. We can put the wires over here by the screws too, but instead of that, sometimes it takes less than time to just push the wires and inside you can push the wires in the hole in here. There's 4 of them. Now it's time to put the cover back on. We don't have to replace the cover because it looks new to me.